Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, my favorite day. I get to play, and today I've got two little hauls, and the first one is going to be from Dollar Tree, and I got this container, and it's got a vent at the top. I'm sure you've all seen these, and of course I'm not going to use it to cook. I'm going to put something in it. And then I've got these pretty silk flowers, green tip carnations. And then I found these little bags. I've seen them before. I bought two of them. And I got shoe polish in one of them somewhere. And then I got, of course, everybody's getting these. You got the hearts, and then the sparkly ones. And then I bought this birdhouse, and I was thinking about making a chunky charm out of it. It's small enough, and you can just put your charm right up the bottom. And I thought it'd be cute, get it all painted up, and put some lace and trim on it. And then I got some stickers. Everybody's getting stickers or buttons. There's the pin back buttons. You can use these on pocket letters and things. And I know Brandy's looking for these, and I thought I'd just show you real quick. Everybody's getting these also. They're the stained glass clear stamps, and I was able to get 6. Brandy, I'll get over there and see if there's any left, but these are the 6 that I got. And I thought it was really unusual because our store never has new stuff, but this time we did. So I'll get these to you in the mail ASAP, see if I can get some more today. And then I got these little beads. I thought they were pretty. They'll go on stuff, you know, for trim, round picture frames or whatever. You guys know what to do with that. Get that out of the way. That's it for Dollar Tree. And then I went to Michael's again yesterday, and I picked up another one of these boxes. I thought the deer was so pretty. So this one was I think it was $2.50, but yesterday you got a coupon for 20% off everything, and then the Christmas stuff was 80% off. This was included in the Christmas items, the sachet, and I hadn't seen the cedar ones, so I got 3 of these. These were 49 cents. So that's a good buy, because I'd love to put sachet and nice smelling stuff in the order, or the things I sent out. And then I picked up some more of these little signs. These were 30 cents a piece. You got that one and that one. These are nice little signs. They got ribbons on them, and you just tie them on. They feel like wood. They were $1.50. Then I bought these stickers, some terms of endearments or whatever you want to call them. And then, oh, I had to have this. M for me, Mars, Michigan. Fits it all. This one was regularly $9.99, so it was $2.50. Then I found this pretty little cup. You put a straw in it. And that stuff actually moves a little bit. I didn't think it would, but it does. So, and I'm going to use this. It says, get your Mary on. That can apply every day. And then I bought this kit. Y'all know I'm getting ready to do some resin pouring. And this one was $34.99 plus the 40% off. And so plus 20% off. So that's a good buy. This is 32 fluid ounces, so I'll be able to make a lot from this. I was going to order this from Amazon, but it's cheaper at Michael's. And then the last thing I got was a paper pack. Their paper packs are on sale. And I'm sure everybody has seen these. And I'll just do a quick flip through. I really wanted the 6x6, but those weren't on sale. So very pretty paper. Kind of old-fashioned. Got some tags in there. Okay guys, that's it for today. It's got a pretty butterfly. And I've got to go out and do a little bit of shopping this morning, and it's raining. Thank goodness it's not snow, but snow's coming, I guess. We've got one more month to get through. February is always the hardest month because you're just waiting for spring. So my total today, or yesterday at Michael's, was $38.76. So that wasn't bad, considering that resin liquid is so expensive. So, but I think it's going to be fun to do. Something new, something different to try for me. Okay guys, and I wanted to say a little bit about YouTube and their crazy ways of doing things, I guess. I'm a little disappointed in how they've treated us little guys, but there's nothing we can really do. Actually, there is something we can do. You know, it's not going to just affect us. It's going to affect the big guys too, because there's going to be so many people leaving YouTube because they're just so fed up with the way they've treated us. The big guys aren't going to get as many people watching them. Then their money's going to go down. And y'all know I don't care about the money. I had $70 saved up from last year. It's now down to 17 cents. They've taken it all away. But you know what? I don't care about the money. I care about you guys. I care about my friendships and my friends. And I want to support everybody I can. I've been clicking like crazy. Oh, I forgot. I reached 500 subbies. Thank you all. And as soon as I get done with this giveaway, I'll do another giveaway, a really nice giveaway. It's going to be big. So thank you for my subbies, everybody. Thank you so much. The big 500. Now I want to reach the 1,000, and I'm sure I can do it in record time. So, and I'm going to start, I think, live views. If anybody's interested, please come in when I start it. Brandy's going to be there, I think, and a couple of others. So I've got to learn how to do it still. Okay, guys, thank you so much for my 500. I was so happy this weekend that it turned over. Thank you all for coming in. Remember, turn off the news, turn on the music, and dance a little, and it'll be all right. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.